You work 9 to 6. You get a stable paycheck. You feel safe. Meanwhile, your neighbor who started a small online store just made your monthly salary in one weekend. They tell you salary is safe. Business is risky. But nobody tells you this. A salary is actually the biggest risk you're taking. When you work a job, you're selling your time. Fixed hours. Fixed income. Limited growth. The moment you stop working, the money stops. Business works differently. You build something once, and it can pay you again and again. A product. A service. Content. Systems. Salary is linear. Business is scalable. A salary feels stable. But think about it, you have only one income source, your employer. If they fire you, your income goes to zero overnight. That's not stability. That's dependency. Even a small side hustle gives you something powerful: options. Multiple income streams mean you're not controlled by one decision. Here's something they don't teach you. Salary earners pay tax first, then spend. Business owners spend first, then pay tax on profit. Same income. Completely different outcome. And the biggest reason people don't start? Fear. What if I fail? What if it doesn't work? But in 2026, starting is cheaper than ever. You don't need larks. You don't need investors. You need skills, internet, and consistency. The biggest risk today is not starting at all. Now here's the smart way. Don't quit your job blindly. Use your salary as your safety net. And build something on the side. 10 hours a week is enough. Evenings. Weekends. Slowly, your side income grows. One day, it matches your salary. That's when you get freedom. Here's what you can do starting today. Pick one skill you already have: writing, editing, designing, teaching. Offer it. Don't wait to be perfect. Get your first paying client. Then build something scalable: content, digital products, systems. Reinvest your extra income. Don't upgrade your lifestyle too fast. Build assets, not expenses. Salary is not bad. Business is not magic. But one has a ceiling. The other does not. If you rely only on salary, you're always one decision away from zero. If you build even one extra income stream, you take back control. You don't need to quit everything. You just need to start something. Small. Messy. Consistent. Because in 2026, the people who win are not the smartest. They are the ones with multiple income streams. Start today.